Hey camera. So right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yup, the PAS, Manitoba. Train coming back from Flin, Flon, and it looked like it came back short. Yup. Number 3840 and 1083. So today it's Tuesday, July the 29th, 2025. Yup, 2025. So the time is, it is 2:04 p.m. Yup, 2:04 p.m. on a Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon. Yup, Tuesday afternoon, 2:04 p.m. Train coming back from Flin Flon. Yup. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out. And another train came through. Yup. Number 1087 heading to the paper mill, and Flin Flon train coming back from Flin Flon. Yup. And I already said the date and the time, 2:09 p.m. Yup. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.